Today, I'll walk you through how to share a specific tab in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share a particular sheet so you can collaborate effectively without sharing the entire document. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser, and for this tutorial, we'll be using Google Chrome. Simply launch Google Chrome and get ready to navigate to your Google Sheets. Now, once you have Google Chrome open, look for the Google Apps icon in the upper right corner of your screen. This icon looks like a grid of dots. Click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various Google services available to you. Next, from this menu, click on Google Sheets. This will take you directly to your Google Sheets dashboard where you can see all your spreadsheets. If you already have a spreadsheet you want to work with, go ahead and open it. If not, you can create a new one by clicking on the blank spreadsheet option. Once you're in your spreadsheet, locate the specific tab you want to share. This is the sheet that contains the data you wish to share with others. Right-click on that tab. This will bring up a context menu with several options. Now hover over the Copy to option in the menu. A side menu will appear, and from there select New Spreadsheet. This action will create a new Google Sheets document that contains only the data from the tab you selected. After you click New Spreadsheet, a prompt will appear asking you to open the newly created sheet. Click Open to access it. Now that you have your new sheet open, you can share it with others. Click on the Share button in the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to share this specific sheet with. You can also adjust their permissions, allowing them to view or edit the document as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a specific tab in Google Sheets without exposing the entire document. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.